Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Fatih Ramadhani. This time I will present about penyakit the virus. Non-polar capacitor. Non-polar capacitor are type of electronic capacitor that has no polarity, which means that the positive poles are not carried. This means that the capacitor can be connected into electronic circuit without needing to play exchange of polarity. Non-polar capacitors are often used in various applications, especially in AC. In parentheses, alternating current. Circuit and audio application. Example of a non-polar capacitor include bipolar capacitor, Deca capacitor, and several types of non-polar electronic capacitor. Non-polar capacitors are very useful when you want to avoid polarity and error that can damage components or disrupt the performance of electronic circuits. Polar capacitor. Polar capacitor are electronic components that are designed to work with a direct voltage. The impedance DC. Observing the polarity, this means polar capacitor have positive and negative terminal that must be connected current in the circuit. The importance of polarity makes polar capacitor suitable for applications involving direct voltage, but they are less effective in AC circuits of where the polarity of the voltage may change. 3. Diode. A diode is an electronic semiconductor component that has two terminals, namely anode, the parenthesis positive terminal, and the parenthesis negative terminal. The main function of a diode is to allow the flow of electronic current in only one direction while inhibiting the flow of current in the opposite direction. This is due to the formation of a pin-type layer inside the diode, which leads to its semiconductor properties. For LED, LED in the parenthesis emitting diode in an electronic semiconductor component. The product selects when an electronic current passes through it. LED converts electrical electricity into light very efficiently and come in variety of colors depending on the semiconductor material used. This makes LED the primary choice for indicator lighting display and various applications in electronic lighting. The advantages of LED include high durability, energy efficiency, and long life. 5. Octocoupler. An octocoupler is also known as an opto-isolator or octocoupler is electronic component used to electrical separate two electrical circuits but allow the transfer of signal of data between the like and octocoupler consists of two main components like emitting diode, the impedance LED on one side and photodetector on the other side detect the light emitted by the LED. 6. Photoresistor. photoresistor, also known as a photoresistor or LED, light-dependent resistor is a semiconductor component that changes in resistance depending on the intensity of light hitting it. When the light receives by photoresistor increases in resistance, the resist, and conversely, when the light its resistance increases. 6. Potentiometer. A potentiometer is an electronic component used to measure and regulate. 6. Potentiometer. A potentiometer is an electronic component used to measure and regulate electrical resistance in a circuit. This can take the form of a linear potentiometer or a rotary potentiometer. Linear potentiometer are usually used to adjust sound volume in audio devices, while rotary potentiometer are used to control resistance. Volume is various types of applications of measurement and control. Potentiometer work by changing the pathing of electrical resistance by moving the controller when the controller is rotated. You are moving the resistor volume between incremental change, allowing the user to adjust the voltage of current level in a circuit. Potentiometer are components that are often used in electronics and have various applications in control measurement. A relay. A relay is a sympathetic device used to control other electronic circuit by mechanically opening or closing its switch contact. Relay work based on the arithmetic principle. While the arithmetic field generated by the flow of current through the relay coil spool of wire above the armature of switch, then opens or close the switch connect to another circuit. 9. Resistor. Resistor electronic component designed to inhibit the flow of electric current in a circuit. Resistor create resistance or your resistor to the electronic you're flowing toward them. This resistance is measured as ohm and determines the degree to which the resistor inserts current. 10. Steppers motor. Steppers motor are a type of electronic motor that are used to convert the electrical signal into regular discrete movement in step. This motor gets its name from its ability to move in discrete steps that can be precisely controlled. 11. Switch. A switch is an electrical device used to connect or disconnect the flow of electricity in an electrical circuit. Switches are used to turn off like electronic device of the your other electrical power source by sliding, pressing, or rotating the switch component according to its design. Switch generally have two positions: an open position off and closed position on, allowing the user to control the flow of electricity as needed. 12 transistor. A transistor is an electronic component that functions as a controller for the flow of electronics. When transistor can be used to amplify or control electrical signal. It consists of three semiconductor layers: emitter, base, and collector. Bipolar transistors have two main types, namely PNP, which regulate the flow of electronic based on the direction of electron flow. Transistors are also used in various electronic applications such as signal amplifier, electronic switch, and basic component in integrated circuit. Thank you.